It's really soft. And yeah, fish is like melting down in our mouth.
Okay.
It's really. My boyfriend and his girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
So,
So welcome to Japan.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
They arrived today.
今度
Oh,
Yes.
今度行く。
今度行く時です。Wow, what a coincidence. So nice to meet you all. I'm pretty sure you already know me, but I'm Taro. So nice to meet you. And what are your names?
Aglaé.
Arsène.
Manu.
Alright, so nice to meet you. And where are you all from?
France.
France?
New Caledonia.
New Caledonia.
And also France.
France. Alright. So what brought you guys to Japan?
For holidays.
Holiday?
For 10 days.
10 days.
Just to visit and discover the culture.
Tokyo and Kyoto.
Tokyo and Kyoto. Oh, you're in Kyoto too?
Yeah.
Oh, so you get to wear yukata and kimono.
Yeah.
So are you guys excited for the
I am.
fireworks?
Oh,
Yeah.
really? どうする？まだ多分こっからすごくないけど、ちゃんと音はいい。
Is it a pocket?
Yeah, it's a
Some
pocket.
people-
So like you can put your cell phone or
Yeah,
something.
okay.
You can put your wallet.
Because like I bought kind of yukata, like just a jacket,
Yeah.
and I have this kind of sleeve, and like some people told me it's kind of pocket, but I didn't believe it at the beginning. So then I tried like it's kind of.
Yeah, it's a pocket.
Yeah, it's okay.
First time?
初めて。
初めて。
Yeah, the first time. At the beginning, not just for women and not for men, but now
Oh, yeah.
I think I understand it's for both.
おー、綺麗。
綺麗。
Nice.
Thank you. Wow, Camille.
It's funny.
Is that?
It's funny.
It's nice though. It fits him.
Yes, color is good.
What's the color?
Like his eyes.
Yeah.
Something like.
Your brother's looking good too. いいね。
いいね。Very
いい
good.
ね、いいね。
ありがとう。
C'est agréable à porter. Franchement, c'est.
もちろんです。
Ça va trop bien. Ah ouais, merci, vous aussi.
Ah d'accord, elle est trop stylée.
Ah ouais?
Ouais. Ah bah on est content.
Ah, oh, c'est cool.
ありがとうございます。後ほど。9時半の9時半。はい、承知しました。までに。はい、帰ってきて。
Okay.
Now we are doing
So, so how is it? I mean, you guys wearing your first yukata for the first time?
It's not uncomfortable, you know.
Oh,
So
okay.
I expected it like more comfortable.
Okay.
For me,
Okay.
I expected it was like really easy to put on,
Yeah.
and it's much more difficult than what I expected.
Yes. I
I
think.
thought it was like just like a kind of jacket like at the hotel and like you just go out like this, but no.
I think for women, it's a lot harder.
Yes, I
The
couldn't do
back
it
and then also the
myself.
hair too,
Yes.
For me, it's really tight.
right? It's supposed to be tight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's really cool. I feel good and it's really beautiful. I like it.
It's not too like we don't feel we're hot.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
It's
that's
really
good.
light, yeah.
Okay, that's
and
good.
really pretty. So
Yeah, you guys look really nice. Very good looking, beautiful. Okay, so I guess let's get going.
Yes.
Yeah.
Usually, what kind of food Japanese people eat for like an happy firework?
Just like yakisoba, karage. Sometimes they eat this pickled cucumber on stick.
Ah, yeah.
I saw them.
Yeah, and then also shaved ice.
Ah, shaved ice.
Okay,
Like this.
Yeah,
What is it called?
kakigori. Yeah.
袋入れた方がいいよね。あ、いい。大丈夫？あ、大丈夫。みんないける。はい。はい、どうぞ。2本500円ですね。
か食べたいものは聞いてみていいか。
If you have anything, you guys want to eat, let us know. 漬物ですね。
美味しいです。
撮っといてよかったね、場所。しかも結構広いめに。
乾杯。わあ。
Alright guys, so how was fireworks?
Very nice.
It was good?
The best
They
of his
burned
life.
my eyes for life.
And then you're okay with the yukata?
really comfortable.
That's good.
Hot with so much people.
Your butt is okay from sitting?
Yeah,
It's okay.
it's okay.
Even the shoes.
Even the shoes is okay.
It's not comfortable.
Not hurting.
That's nice. じゃあ、お疲れ様です。
はい、お疲れ様。乾杯。
How did you guys enjoy fireworks?
Really good. Yeah. And with you it was very comfortable.
Yeah. With us?
Yes.
Just follow you. And
You have everything, like bags for trash, like
Yeah.
You went this morning to put the plastic and
Yeah.
the plate.
so for us, yes, it was really comfortable.
so nice.
Okay, so thank you very much. Like first for today, it was very amazing. Like Hanabi like this is very different from what we live in France. So very amazing. And for us, it's like the end of our year in Japan, which was really amazing to meet like for example kind of guys like you. Like you invited a lot of time and very good restaurant. So thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
It was really amazing.
And how different is the firework in France?
I think it's just shorter.
Shorter, okay.
And yeah, like less people because like you have almost everywhere.
And then is it during the summertime too, or is it like
Yeah,
random?
doing like a national fest, which is
Okay.
like on July 14th.
August also.
Yeah, it's August. August. And sometimes like for a New Year or something like this, you can have like big one, less people. So you don't have to go like 3 hours or 4 hours in advance to take a place. You can arrive like 5 minutes before and you can stay doing 20 minutes. So it's really different.
Yes.
Okay.
So thank you guys for today again. And so as Camille said, it's the end of our long trip in Japan. And I think we will both miss Japan.
Yeah.
And I'm happy we met this day in Asakusa.
Yes.
Like it was really fun to have like this kind of monthly like rendezvous to like eat good stuff and like speak about Japanese culture. So we were both really happy about this and to meet our friends and family. So it was like really nice time. And yeah, for fireworks today, like I feel Hanabi in Japan is a really special mood. Like all the time, like you go from the station to the river, like you buy food and like you wear your yukata and like you take time to eat and to like walk slowly and then you enjoy fireworks. It's like it's so different than in France, but it's amazing. And I was really excited to see Hanabi in Japan because like in anime you see a lot and so like living it is like different and it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yes, that's it I think.
By the way, what was the favorite part of the whole year? Like
Favorite part?
Yeah.
Camille and I, we volunteered in farms. So we got hosted and we like worked with people and like I think it was maybe one of the best experience I had here because like we could meet people and like live their like daily life, which was really interesting, like to meet like old people, adults, children, and to live all together. Also like discover like daily Japanese food because like there was always like moms cooking or grandmas, so it was really nice. For me maybe best experience.
I think it was pretty same for me. Like I come from a small countryside in France, so like arriving in Japan, in Tokyo, which is like one of the biggest cities of the world, like it's a bit stressful and I just wanted to live. So I think my best memory are like far from Tokyo and as like I told, maybe doing volunteer. And I think for example like Mieken was maybe one of my favorite places in Japan, like this kind of landscape with a lot of island. I think I will remember it like all my life. And just like yes, we met a ton of people there, which are very nice with us. So we spent almost one month with them. I think it was this kind of memory I will get. Very good.
But we were still happy to live in Tokyo, like like now I have my favorite restaurants in Tokyo and like my kind of habits,
Yeah.
and it's a good feeling.
Where is your favorite restaurant, by the way?
I think number one, you know,
It's the same.
it's the same.
It's the one we tried in Ekimokuro, right?
Yes. Okay, it's the same.
It's a Kemen, like.
Kemen.
Amen.
Maybe
Yeah.
once a month or
Oh, once a week.
yeah, once a week sometimes.
Sometimes.
If you guys have time, please come back to Japan.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I'm sure we will.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
All right, guys. So how was your trip?
So it was amazing, and before coming there, I was like, oh, I'm so excited to go to a big city like Japan, like Tokyo, and discover so many stores, so many restaurants, and food and things like that. And I was surprised by the peace here that I didn't attend when I was in my country. So I was like, yeah, that's real holidays. I can do chill days and really, really a big days. Like I go everywhere and do so many things. So yeah, it's very amazing. We can do whatever we want here. There is everything. So yeah, it's amazing.
By the way, what was like your favorite part of Japan?
It's hard to choose because everything was amazing, but I think temple.
Kyoto?
Both Tokyo and Kyoto, but yeah, Kyoto was more like traditional, so it was a good part of the trip, and also taste different foods. And I discovered real Japan ramen, and yeah, it's amazing. Food are amazing, and culture is awesome too. So yeah, many positive points.
Thank you.
So for me, this travel to Japan have a different taste because I live 3 years to Japan when I was younger.
Yeah.
So sometime I saw something and I'm like, oh, I think I seen this before, or I eat something and it's, oh, I know this. And really I was like I was traveling in my memories. So
nice.
it was so beautiful, and people is so cool. It fits perfectly with me. Like I was in the Sento, and
Sento? You went to
yeah,
Sento?
and nobody cares about anyone. I was the man who cares about everybody. I was looking at everybody, and it's just magic. I love all the stuff.
In the Sento, like, did you feel kind of
naked.
nervous?
No? I'm really okay to be naked
you're okay.
around people. Yeah.
Oh, okay, interesting. Because a lot of people say that
Yeah.
they're kind of nervous when they first go all
That's
naked.
my
Yeah. He didn't went to. We go together, but he stay.
Oh,
in
you
the-
did?
yeah.
So I guess you guys want to come back if you guys have a chance?
I would
Yeah,
like.
of course.
Yeah?
Yeah, but longer because 10 days is a bit short to do everything you want. Like I think we missed things to do
Yeah.
and didn't have the chance to do more things. So yeah, maybe a longer trip.
Sometimes something take more time or few more experience to appreciate it more.
True. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You
Arigatou
too.
gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you very much.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much for everything. Thank you.
Hi, thank you. Thank you.
See you.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I hope we can meet again one day.
Yeah. Come by with Elliot.
Yes.
We'll have your line.
Yes.
Hi.
If you come to France and you want to try like a French restaurant,
Just come.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you.
じゃあまたね。はい。
さようなら。
さよなら。